Every year, municipalities, villages are required to submit a tentative budget by March 20th. We posted our budget sometime around March 16 or 17. And what we did was we created a budget that in essence has a 1.69% tax rate decrease. And a little bit of that goes into what we do here at the village in order to come up with a budget. We have here in the village a very strong community regarding the valuation of our community. We have a $4.5 billion evaluation, which means a lot of properties are worth a lot of money. That's an increase of 122 million from last year. And so what that does is it increases the valuation by 2.8%. That helps us because it lowers the tax rate to the community. So the community is getting a tax rate in the tentative budget. Because we have a very strong surplus, fund balance, we can proceed and work on these projects without going out to bonding first. And what we do is we do it once a year. So instead of having 10 projects where you go out and you have to bond them every time you need the money, our cash flow allows us to be able to bond once a year. And that saves us, in reality, $450,000 to $500,000 a year. The efficiencies that we've been able to create, that I've been able to create in the full 3 years that I've been here with my staff, plus the valuation of the real property in the village going up, as well as increases in sales tax revenue, in mortgage tax revenue, have really helped us out. And what we're doing now is we're going through the final process with the Board of Trustees. We have several meetings. We had one meeting this week and several meetings next week, where we'll go through the project, we'll go through the budget and take a look at all of the items in there. We collaborate with department heads, and then we have the public also involved. It really is a balancing act, and it's a very delicate situation because we want to make sure that we have enough money, of course, to operate the village and provide all these high-level services. We provide a lot of high-level services in Mamaroneck, and the employees do a really good job. But we also want to make sure that we don't raise taxes more than we have to, because it's an expensive place to live. If anyone visits our website, they can see our budget, our tentative budget. They could see some comparisons to other communities, and we have budget meetings that are in fact happening between now and the end of April. So if anyone wants to participate, it's all done by Zoom, so it's an easy way to participate.